Real tree hunters. Da 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 da. Real tree hunters. Wait. We have reformed from the dead tree hunters to the real tree hunters. Bam, bitches!
We'll find them if you point them out.
And we'll get them every time.
Guaranteed.
There ain't a tree anywhere on this property that we can't find.
Just point it out.
There you go. Real tree hunters. Tune in to the next episode.
Coming to you on any fucking channel available.
Anytime. I mean, you see where I'm coming from, though. I mean, we got two. There's one pitch up there, one little fork that just doesn't show up, period.
But I think it might be this branch right here, and we're in front of it. You're really recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. We're on a mission to find the ghost tree.
I'm pretty sure that branch is in front of it. And being that way, we're looking at it, and it looks like it's...
You know how long that tree's been standing there, and we've been always sitting there saying there's a bird on that tree?
I determined in about 2 days, but...
Oh, kiss my ass.
Since the bird never moved, I pretty much determined it wasn't a fucking bird.
There goes something.
I bet that's the tree.
We'll have to analyze our data here that we collected and get back to y'all. Ghost tree that we have for years seen little bitty birds sit upon that never sit there.
He has seen little bitty birds that sit up there.
You can see
it's been a branch.
As our
what if it really is a ghost tree, though? Can't never find it. I'll find this tree next week.
So if anybody wants to pick us up as a show, Dead Tree Hunters.
Boom, boom, boom.
That's what we're finding next. Real tree hunters. Real tree hunters. Da 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 da. Real tree hunters. Da, da, da.